How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can play CS2 in 4x3 stretch or black bars. So the first thing that you want to do is to navigate through your desktop, and from here click on the show more options and navigate through your NVIDIA control panel. Now it's going to be a little bit different if you're using AMD, but simply once inside, you want to head over to the adjust desktop size and position. From here, select your main monitor. So in my case, I'm using this one. Select aspect ratio, and then you want to choose the display option. Click on the override the scaling mode set by games and programs. And then you could just set your native resolution, and same thing with the refresh rate. From there, let's head over to our Counter-Strike. And once you're inside CS2, navigate through your settings menu. And from here, you want to select your monitor. Select the aspect ratio to normal 4.3, and now you can select your preferred resolution. So in my case, I'm going to be selecting the 1280x1024. Let's select the highest refresh rate. Click on the apply changes. And of course, you also want to make sure that you are using the full screen mode in order for this to take effect. And so, as you can see, we are ready to go. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.